Tired of messy data? Let's transform those rows and columns into actionable insights by customizing pivot tables in Qlik Sense. First, let's open up Qlik Sense and locate the pivot table you'd like to modify. Make sure you're in edit mode by clicking the pencil icon. Click on the pivot table to activate its properties panel on the right. Now, focus on the properties panel. The layout section is your primary control center here. You can adjust the presentation of your data. Start by exploring the presentation drop-down. Experiment with different styles, compact or tabular, to see which best suits your data. Under presentation, you will find indentation. This is how far the lower level dimensions are indented from the higher ones. Adjust to your preference. Notice that the lower the number, the less indentation, and the higher the number, the greater the indentation. Next, expand the total section. Here you can control the display of totals for rows and columns, toggle them on or off, and even customize their labels to provide clear context. But the customization doesn't stop there. Click the Add Column button in the pivot table and select Calculated Dimension. You can create custom calculations using the formula editor, adding even more granular insights to your analysis. Finally, head to the Appearance section. In the Properties panel under Colors and Legend, you can adjust the color scheme, font sizes, and overall look and feel of your pivot table. Experiment with different palettes to make your data visually appealing and easy to understand. And that's it. With these customization options, you can transform your pivot tables in Qlik Sense from basic spreadsheets into powerful tools for data discovery and decision making. Now go forth and customize.